Hello, good morning, my friends. This is Leap Option Seller. I hope you all doing very good. Let us review our position. Position which we are holding is 18,200 straddle, which is expiring on January. So, in the previous videos, I already explained the psychology behind this trade and how much peace of mind this trade is giving to us. We initiated the straddle when the market was at 18,200. Currently, the market is running at 18,600. The last video I clearly told you or I showed you that we are running in a loss of 7,500 rupees. So I told you we are not going to adjust the trade because the market is at all-time high. So anytime the market can come down, there can be a profit booking. The same happened today also. Market down by 100 points. So our loss reduced to 4,000, nearly 4,000 from 7,500. So our decision is very correct that we didn't do any adjustment so far. So let us manage this trade for another couple of days. So then we will decide. I strongly believe that by that time we will be in profit only. So this is the current position. Okay. We initiated this position on 22nd November. So almost 1 week passed. More than a week we are holding the position. So the effectively we are managing the position. As I told you, this is the PR Sundar strategy, which he is getting almost 80,000 rupees as fee. So I'm just giving this trade for free. You guys can watch, but I strongly suggest that don't take the trade along with me. You just watch for some time. Just see how I am managing this trade as a whole, so that you will get an idea. See the market, see the chart, how it is moving. It came to all-time high 2 days before, and today see the red candle. It is very strong selling candle. So the market can go down again from this point of time. So eventually, I hope that within another 10 days our position will be in profit. So you carefully observe the trade, how we are managing the trade. So in the next trade, you can also join along with me. And I'm not charging any fee. This is just for education purpose. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye.